Most plotter printers sold online are overpriced junk built to fail on large format jobs. Pick wrong and you're out $200 and stuck with a dud for years. Ever wish a plotter could handle posters and blueprints without the headaches? This video breaks down the best options so you don't waste another paycheck. Today, I'm going to be going over the best plotter printer that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the HP T210. From the moment you unbox it, the HP 210 exudes professional readiness, tailored for architects, engineers, and classrooms needing reliable, large-format prints. The chassis uses sturdy construction with a robust metal frame and a clean, compact footprint suitable for office corners and busy design studios. Its 24-inch wide printing capability supports posters and CAD drawings without manual media switching in busy environments. Media handling includes sheet feed, roll feed, and an automatic horizontal cutter to streamline production for fast turnarounds on multimedia projects. HP Click software simplifies printing with PDF error checking, auto nesting, and drag and drop file printing directly from CAD workflows. Connectivity options include Gigabit Ethernet, USB 2.0, and Wi-Fi network support for flexible office deployment. The one-click printing from anywhere feature shines when you manage multiple files through the HP Smart app from smartphone, tablet, or desktop. In real-world testing, its precision shines on technical line drawings and renders, delivering crisp line quality and legible text under CAD workflows. Standout features include the optional automatic sheet feeder, integrated HPGL2 support for CAD workflows, and aggressive nesting to optimize ink usage. Compared to the Epson SureColor T3170, the T210 offers lower ink maintenance and smoother software integration. The pros include strong build, reliable media handling, and HP software integration. The cons include higher initial cost and a sizable footprint that may challenge small or cluttered offices. 95% less ink for routine maintenance translates into tangible savings over time, offsetting a higher upfront investment. In summary, the HP T210 targets professionals needing precise wide format results with flexible media handling and strong software support. At number 4, we have the HP T210. Designed for architects, engineers, and print specialists, this plotter addresses professional needs for precise CAD prints and large posters. The build uses a sturdy metal chassis with a compact footprint that fits tight studios while resisting daily wear. Media support spans up to 24-inch wide rolls and sheets up to 13 by 19 inches with the optional feeder. A versatile mix of sheet feed, roll feed, and an automatic horizontal cutter ensures quick changes with minimal downtime. HP Click software provides PDF error checking, auto nesting, and seamless printing from CAD applications. One-click printing from anywhere is enabled by the HP Smart app, letting you manage jobs remotely. The package includes a 2-year extended warranty with on-site and remote support, supporting fast service when issues arise. Technical line drawings, blueprints, posters, maps, and renders benefit from crisp line quality and legible text. Compared with a leading Canon wide-format printer, the T210 delivers easier media handling and lower maintenance. The pros include long-term reliability, low maintenance costs, and versatile media support. The cons include higher upfront price and a relatively large footprint that may demand extra studio space. In performance testing, it delivers crisp lines at standard CAD resolutions with consistent color across posters. Real-world usage confirms dependable media handling and predictable results when switching between rolls and sheets. For teams building professional workflows, this model integrates smoothly with CAD pipelines and reduces workflow friction. At number 3, we have the HP T630. From unboxing the HP DesignJet T630, you sense its purpose as a large-format plotter tailored for architects and engineers. Its footprint accommodates studio spaces while a robust stand and integrated media bin mitigate desk clutter during busy design days. The design emphasizes technical line drawings, precise text, and posters, aligning with workflows that demand consistent line quality and dependable software integration. The build combines a sturdy chassis with a clean, scalable design, and the included stand plus media bin promotes stable, on-site organization. It supports a sizable range of media sizes up to 36-inch wide rolls and sheets up to 13 by 19 inches. The sheet feeder, roll feed, and automatic horizontal cutter streamline handling and reduce manual intervention during busy print cycles. Connectivity is flexible with Gigabit Ethernet, USB 2.0, and Wi-Fi support aligning with modern CAD studios. HP Click software predefines print settings, enables auto-nesting, and streams directly from CAD applications for faster job preps. The device supports robust color accuracy and crisp line rendering essential for maps and professional posters. In real-world tests, the T630 maintained consistent line quality across diverse media types and produced reliable text clarity. On job sites and in studios, speeds remain competitive with CAD-driven workflows, delivering large format plots within expected timeframes. Stability during extended print runs was maintained thanks to a solid stand and balanced weight distribution across the chassis. Compared to the Canon ImagePrograph TAS series, the HP DesignJet T630 offers easier setup and more CAD-friendly workflow integration. The pros include sturdy build, versatile media handling, and strong HP Click integration. The cons include higher price and a sizable footprint that may challenge small offices. At number 2, we have the HP T630. Initial impressions position the HP DesignJet T630 as a rugged professional-grade plotter aimed at architects, engineers, and contractors. The build quality relies on a sturdy metal chassis paired with a compact footprint for a large format device that fits busy studios. Key features include sheet and roll media handling with an automatic sheet feeder, a media bin, and an integrated horizontal cutter. Connectivity blends Gigabit Ethernet, USB 2.0, and Wi-Fi in accordance with modern office networks, while HP Click streamlines job submission. HP Click enables predefined print settings and direct printing from CAD apps, reducing misprints and waste while lubricating the workflow. One-click printing from anywhere plus the HP Smart app empowers stakeholders to submit jobs remotely and monitor status across devices. Designed to fit professional workflows, it supports PDF, JPEG, TIFF, DWF, HPGL2, and PNG files through HP Click and integrated drivers. Compared to the Canon ImagePrograph Pro series, the HP DesignJet T630 delivers faster setup and CAD-friendly workflow. The pros include excellent line quality, wide media support, and seamless HP Click workflow integration. The cons include a relatively high price and a bulky footprint that demands dedicated space within a busy studio. Real-world testing shows crisp line rendering, accurate text reproduction, and dependable color consistency across technical drawings, posters, and maps. The package includes automatic sheet feeder, media bin, and stand, enabling immediate operation once unboxed and placed in a suitable workspace. It supports Gigabit Ethernet, USB 2.0, and Wi-Fi, with HP Link Reader options and CAD-oriented software integration for streamlined work. Overall, the HP DesignJet T630 offers solid performance for professionals needing reliable large format prints and integrated workflow tools. At number 1, we have the HP T6050. From the moment you unbox it, this plotter speaks to professionals who demand precise line work and scalable large format posters. Architects and engineers will appreciate the solid build, premium materials, and the robust 2-year warranty that promises on-site and remote support. Its design accommodates wide format work up to 36-inch wide rolls and 13 by 19-inch sheets using the included automatic sheet feeder. The automatic sheet and roll switch, combined with a media bin and an automatic horizontal cutter, streamlines job changes for multi-size projects. It is designed to print multi-size projects automatically, reducing ink usage for routine maintenance and lowering overall costs. HP Click software simplifies printing with PDF error checking, alerts, and auto-nesting while enabling easy drag and drop from CAD applications. Connectivity options include Gigabit Ethernet, USB, and Wi-Fi, enabling flexible integration into studio networks and on-site job sites. The warranty details mention on-site and remote support with HP parts and promises next business day service when issues cannot be resolved remotely. Popular among architects and engineers, this printer suits geographic firms and construction professionals because of precision, crisp text, and reliable large format posters. In practical tests, output remained consistently sharp across line weights and text while maintaining color fidelity and minimal ink usage for routine prints. The automated media switching helped reduce downtime during multi-size jobs, allowing teams to deliver complex plans and posters faster. In direct comparison with a leading rival wide-format printer, the T650 reduces setup time and boosts reliability. The pros include 2-year warranty, 36-inch wide media, and HP Click software. The cons include high price and large footprint.